What's going on, all my winners? Today we bring you this 2019 Nissan GT-R, and it's gonna get reviewed and modified by the winning team. So make sure you stay tuned to see the end result. And this car owner decided to go with 20% all the way around in ceramic film. The best stuff on the market. Go ahead and ask about it. And this beast is sitting on 20-inch alloy rims to help with all that torque. 0 to 60 in 2.9, just because of these tires, guys. And only for the Nissan GT-R, they decided to go with golden calipers to accentuate the rest of this beautiful beast. And all of that power has to go out somewhere, right, guys? So Nissan decided to put in quad exhaust as well as a carbon fiber rear diffuser so that it's light as it's going down the track. This engine is a 3.8 liter V6 twin turbo that delivers amazing acceleration. So that means it goes 0 to 60 in only 2.9 seconds, just 0.2 seconds below the Porsche 911 Turbo S. This maxes out at 200 miles an hour and holds 467 pound-feet of torque. That's quick, guys. I wouldn't get in my mama's Oldsmobile and chase this. That's a no-no. This is faster than my rollerblades in 6th grade. This is faster than my first girlfriend, and that was fast. Taking a look at the interior, we see premium leather with a nice even stitching throughout and cool GTR emblems on the floor mats as well as the steering wheel. The start-stop engine button is located alongside the gear shifter, which gives a unique design only seen on Nissans. One thing you'll notice about this car are the custom Nismo seatbelts, which add style to this GT-R. The infotainment controls are housed in carbon fiber along with 2 cup holders, and extending to the back we see a single cup holder in the middle console. Perhaps the most important feature to some GT-R enthusiasts is that this car comes equipped with a Bose sound system, which delivers quality audio all throughout the vehicle. I think you guys heard enough, so check it out while we tint it out. And the winning team just finished winnifying this 2019 Nissan GT-R. The owner of this car decided to go with 20% ceramic all the way around. Ceramic's the best stuff on the market, guys. You better go ask about it. Now, check it out before we roll it out. Winning